Hello, guys. If you've noticed your car consuming more fuel than usual, you're not alone. There are several common reasons for high fuel consumption, and in today's video, we'll break down 7 of the most likely causes and how you can fix them. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. Number 1. Dirty or clogged air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter is one of the most common causes of high fuel consumption in vehicles. The air filter plays a critical role in keeping dirt, debris, and contaminants from entering your engine. For an engine to run efficiently, it needs a balanced mixture of fuel and air. The air filter ensures that clean air reaches the engine's combustion chambers. However, over time, dust, dirt, and debris build up on the filter, reducing airflow. When airflow is restricted, the engine compensates by burning more fuel to maintain performance. Solution. The solution to this problem is simple but effective: regular maintenance. Inspect and replace your air filter according to your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. However, if you frequently drive in dusty or polluted environments, you may need to replace it more often. Many modern cars have sensors that alert you when the air filter needs changing, but it's still a good idea to check it manually during routine maintenance. Or number 2, underinflated tires. When your car's tires are underinflated, it significantly increases the rolling resistance between the tires and the road. Rolling resistance is the force that opposes the motion of the tire as it rolls on a surface. With underinflated tires, the tire's contact patch, the part of the tire that touches the road, becomes larger and flatter. This extra surface contact means the engine has to work harder to move the car forward because more energy is being used to overcome the increased friction between the tires and the road. Solution: use a tire pressure gauge to check the air pressure in your tires. You can do this at a gas station or by purchasing a handheld gauge for home use. Make it a habit to check tire pressure monthly as well as before long trips to ensure your tires are at the correct levels. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or the tire placard located on the driver's side door frame for the correct tire pressure. This number is measured in PSI and ensures the tires perform optimally. Number 3, faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor, sometimes referred to as the O2 sensor, plays a critical role in your vehicle's engine management system. It's located in your car's exhaust system and measures the levels of oxygen in the exhaust gases. This information is sent to the engine control unit, ECU, which adjusts the air-fuel ratio to ensure the optimal mixture for efficient combustion. An ideal air-fuel mixture is about 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. If the mixture is too rich, too much fuel, it leads to inefficient combustion, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. If the mixture is too lean, too little fuel, it can cause engine knocking and potential long-term engine damage. Solution: replacing a faulty oxygen sensor is a relatively simple and cost-effective fix that can dramatically improve your car's fuel efficiency. Oxygen sensors typically last between 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of sensor and your driving conditions. If you're experiencing any of the signs mentioned, it's a good idea to have your oxygen sensor inspected and replaced if necessary. Number 4, worn spark plugs. Worn or faulty spark plugs can significantly reduce your car's fuel efficiency. Spark plugs are critical in the internal combustion process, which powers your engine. They generate the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture inside the engine's cylinders, creating the combustion that moves your car. When the spark plugs are in good condition, they fire at the right time and ensure complete fuel combustion. Solution: the good news is that replacing worn spark plugs is a relatively simple fix that can instantly improve your car's fuel efficiency and performance. Spark plugs typically last anywhere from 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type: copper, platinum, or iridium. It's important to follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule to avoid problems related to worn plugs. Number 5, aggressive driving habits. Rapid acceleration, excessive braking, and high-speed driving significantly increase fuel consumption. Driving aggressively leads to higher engine RPMs, and maintaining higher speeds requires more energy and fuel. Practice smooth acceleration, maintain steady speeds, and avoid sudden braking. Observing speed limits and using cruise control on highways can improve fuel economy by up to 30%, particularly for long-distance driving. Solution: to save fuel, it's crucial to adopt more mindful driving habits. Smooth, consistent driving will not only save fuel, but also reduce wear and tear on your car, keeping it in better condition over time. Number 6. Excessive idling or short trips. Idling consumes fuel without moving the car, which is inefficient. Frequent short trips also prevent the engine from reaching its optimal operating temperature, leading to inefficient fuel combustion. Minimize idling by turning off the engine when stationary for extended periods, more than 30 seconds. Try to combine short trips into longer, consolidated routes to allow the engine to warm up and function efficiently. Number 7. Carrying excess weight. Extra weight in the vehicle makes the engine work harder to move it, which increases fuel consumption. This is particularly noticeable when the car is loaded with heavy cargo or when using roof racks that create aerodynamic drag. Remove unnecessary items from the car, especially from the trunk or back seat. Also, avoid using roof racks unless necessary, and consider aerodynamic alternatives when carrying cargo externally. Regular maintenance and adopting fuel-efficient driving habits are key to reducing fuel consumption and ensuring your car runs at its most efficient level. And there you have it. These are the 7 most common reasons for high fuel consumption in your car engine and how you can fix them. By following these tips, you'll not only save fuel, but also extend the life of your engine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive tips.